Hello guys, this is Mayank Chawla with Team Microhub here. As you know, we are a customized PCB test fixture manufacturing company and dealing in India as well as out of India for your any kind of test fixture requirements. So basically, Microhub is providing four different types of fixture, that is manual fixture, semi-automatic fixture, and fully automatic fixture. And fourth is a pneumatic fixture. So this is a particular fixture is pneumatic fixture where you are going to get the operations of the top plates or bottom plates with the pneumatic air pressure and pneumatic actions. So let's start today's video, and if you have any such kind of requirements for any kind of fixes, Microhub is there to provide you best out of the best solution for any kind of PCB testing solutions. So let's start today's video and very brief and give you idea how exactly this fixture is working and how what kind of detailing Microhub team is doing while manufacturing this fixture, because each and every fixture is different, each and every PCB is different, each and every product is different. If you want a product tester, then also Microhub is dealing with that. We have in-house electrical, electronics, mechanical, and software development team who is sitting under one roof and providing best out of the best solutions for any kind of fixture requirements. So this is a bakelite hard material with 10 seats. This is aluminum sections. So you can see a very rigid and rugged system which Microhub is dealing in every fixtures. We are providing lots of end of line testers which are working 80,000 plus 1 lakh cycles, and there is no requirement of any maintenance. So this kind of detailed engineering we are doing for any kind of fixtures. This type of pneumatics we are using from the lots of standard brands, includes Festo, SMC, or any other standards equivalent brands we are using for the pneumatic operations, so we can have the good life cycles of that. So these are bakelite seat, these are aluminum sections, these are the linear rods, these are linear rigid rods. Microhub is always providing 8 linear bearings for rigid movement. So if you want to move this kind of plates, it is not possible because the DUT where pogo beam is going to intersect needs to be a very aligned, and it can be done with the very rigid and rugged system. Otherwise, it will operate 500 times or 1000 times, and then misalignment will be there. It won't happen in Microhub fixes. So yeah, you can see a structure rigidity here. These are ESD-safe material and ESD-safe plates. This is FR4 plate. These are the guide rods. If you can see, so when pneumatic is going to operate, the guide rods is going to come inside this particular section of the linear bearing. So it is ensure that when it comes, the pogo beams will come on the particular PCB area, it will be aligned. Uh, these are the pneumatic FRL parts of the fixture, and lots of things inside also. So that I will open this fixture, so we will come to know what kind of electrical electronics are there and how we can do for your requirement also. So if you want such kind of frame from Microhub is dealing in that. We can give you this kind of frames for your requirements. Also, this system is with the interchangeable cartridge. So if you want to, if your DUT is going to change, if you want to change this top and bottom plate, it is going to be a easy task for you to change that cartridge. So if your DUT is changing, you can just change that cartridge and do the testing of next PCBA. So let's start a practical working video. This is one DUT we have. We also do the Pokayoke. So when you insert the DUT, it is not going to go in either direction, it is going to go into the one direction only. So these are the, you can just zoom it out so viewers can see how exactly we are doing this kind of things. Yeah. So when we are going to place the DUT, it is going to have this kind of cavity, so component will fall inside these cutouts. So when I'm going to place this, it is going to be easy task for any users to place this particular DUT. So when I'm going to place this, it will not go in either direction, right? If I want to place, it is going to go in this direction only, and it is very easy to put. So there is no need to think on that, how to put, how not to put. Always user will easily do this stuff. So we take this kind of care, because end of line productions also needs a cycle time, handling time. This kind of challenges our manufacturer are facing, so we take care of this kind of things. So you just need to put this down. You can see a top mounting pins here. It is going to intersect with these particular test points, and the wiring is done from my team, so it will take necessary actions as per requirement. Also, we always provide limit switch here. So when system will come down, you can get a signal that system is now in closed environment, and it will start the testing. So also we take care like how user is going to use it. So if we are going to sit on chair, and if we use this, the height is going to match. So if I'm going to sit here, you can see an intersection point here, it is going to come down. So visibility is perfect. And let's take it down so get an idea. Yeah, that's it. So you always provide the safety. While user need to press two buttons, then and then the pneumatic cylinder will come down. This is a controllable cycle for up. So if I press only single button, it will not come down because operator hand can be here, or either this, it should not happen. So then their two hands needs to be engaged while operation. And you can see a great operation Microhub is providing. It is very easy to operate, right? So I will take DUT here, I insert another DUT, and it will be work as per the requirement. I'll just take it out and put it another DUT, right? So this kind of accuracy Microhub is providing there in lots of different types of fixes requirements. And if you require such kind of fixes, Microhub can provide you the fixtures as per your requirement. So this stroke movement is 150 mm we have provided, looking to the DUT size, looking to the height of the components into the DUT. Also you can see a cable tray we have provided. You can just zoom it out so viewer can see how exactly we have provided this. So this is a standard industrial cable tray we are providing generally to our customers. I will just take it down so you get an idea the movement of cable tray also. Right. So this kind of technicalities and engineering and precision Microhub is providing in all the requirements. So let's open this particular fixture. You can see a mounting of programmers also here, right? So let's open this particular fixture. You can see a total proper precise engineering parts here. These are parts are given by our customer, which have done the mountings on that, and these are the cables and tagging done by Microhub team. And easily customer can insert this cable at particular location. You can see a fan wings or proper heat exhaustion system we have provided. So any kind of damage due to heat will not happen. You can see a perfectly mounted gas spring and easy operation for open and closing the part, and smooth operations will be there, right? So lots of engineering is required to design and develop this kind of fixer, and Microhub is dealing in that and believing to provide the best out of the best solutions for the requirements. So if you have any such kind of requirement, you are there, you can just contact Microhub. We are dealing in India as well as out of India and providing the best out of the best solutions for any kind of fixer requirements. Thank you guys for watching us. Thank you for giving lots of orders from YouTube. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel so we also get the motivations. Thank you.